oil. Hoi boig and ice cream.
Hey guys, we were just dropping off here because we wanted to see what you guys were doing.
Oh, we're doing okay. Wait, why isn't there any music? Hold on, give me a second.
Alright, I fixed it. Okay, so what should we do now?
How about we play bowling? Genius.
Jeez, that line took forever.
Alright, you stupid feds, prepare to die!
Only the last time I did this, I boiled. Hopefully this time I don't boil. Boil, there goes nothing. Boil, at least it's boiler than last time.
Bruh! Come on, I gotta get a strike!
Boo, you suck. Actually, now I think about it, maybe boiling wasn't such a good idea.
Yeah, I agree with Bubble. I mean, Ice Cube just died. Maybe bowling is actually dangerous. Yeah, I agree. We should probably never do this again. Agreed. So I want to go get some hamburgers? Sure, I'm hungry anyways. Hey, wait for me.